What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and in this unboxing video, we have the K20 Pro. Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. So if you guys want to see what's inside this purely unboxing video, stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into the box. After opening the box, we're greeted with another box that houses the SIM ejector tool and paperwork, as well as this nice matte black case that the Mi 90 Pro comes with. Under that, you get the unit itself. Let's set that aside first. And under the unit itself, we get a power adapter as well as a USB Type-C to Type-A cable for wired and data transfers as well as charging. Duh. Differences from the Redmi K20 Pro, we get a 48 megapixel tag right here, just like on the Mi 90, and it's kind of weird because this actually is not the 48 megapixel sensor. This is the telephoto lens. So yeah, that was our unboxing of this guy. It's the global Redmi K20 Pro, aka the Mi 90 Pro. Watch out for our K20 Pro / Mi 90 Pro revisited video, or you could probably click on that link here. But other than that, yep, that's this guy. So, what did you guys think of the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.